how to unrestrict someone on Messenger on Android. This tutorial shows you how to find and remove someone from your restricted list on Messenger. First, open the Messenger app on your Android device. After that, tap on the menu icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. From there, tap on Settings at the top of the menu. At this point, scroll down and tap on Privacy and Safety. In the next step, look through the different categories and find the Who Can Reach You section. Following this, under that section, tap on Message Delivery. Once done, tap on Restricted Accounts from the list. From here, you'll see all the accounts you have currently restricted. At this stage, find the person you want to unrestrict and tap on their name. Finally, tap Unrestrict and they will be immediately removed from your restricted list. Their messages will now appear in your main inbox again. And that's it. If this Messenger guide helped you unrestrict someone on Messenger, give it a like, subscribe for more Messenger tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.